Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Make sure your AirPods Max have at least 20% charge and your iPhone or iPad has Bluetooth enabled. Put the headphones near the device, within about 3 feet, so the radio finds them quickly. Press and hold the noise control button until the LED flashes white. That's the pairing signal. Once done, look for the AirPods Max animation or name on your screen and tap Connect. This initial handshake uses Bluetooth Low Energy for discovery, which saves battery and speed setup. Now continue. When the AirPods Max appear on your device, tap the name or the animated card to accept pairing. You may be asked to enable features like Siri and notifications. Allow those if you want full functionality. The devices negotiate an audio codec automatically. That determines sound quality versus latency, so wait a few seconds for it to settle. If you pair to a Mac or non-Apple device, open Bluetooth settings there and confirm the connection similarly. Once paired, test audio to confirm stereo and spatial audio behavior. Finish by confirming firmware and settings. Go to Settings General About, select your AirPods Max to view firmware. Adjust noise control and spatial audio in Control Center to match your preference. If connection fails, one key troubleshooting tip. Reset the headphones, hold the noise control button and digital crown together for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. Then forget the device on your phone and repair. This clears pairing caches and resolves most stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.